In this video, I will provide information about the PetaLibrary, a National Science Foundation subsidized service for the storage, archival, and sharing of research data. The minimum size for a PetaLibrary project is 2 terabytes. The PetaLibrary offers 5 specific storage options within the 2 main classes, Active and Archive. New customers will initially be limited to 75 terabytes in active storage or 100 terabytes in archive storage. If your project will require more space than this, please email rc-help@colorado.edu and we will work with you to accommodate your needs. The first option is Active, which is a single copy on disk. This option is appropriate for frequently used non-critical data. No protection is provided against accidental file deletion unless snapshots are enabled. No protection is provided against catastrophic failure of the primary storage system. The second option is Active plus Replication, which is a single copy on disk plus an additional copy on disk in a separate data center. This option is appropriate for frequently used data that would be difficult to recreate. Some protection against accidental file deletion is provided. This option provides good protection against catastrophic failure of the primary storage system, as well as good protection against the loss of the primary data center. Replication happens at least once per day. The third option is Active plus 1 copy on tape, which is a single copy on disk plus an additional copy on tape in a separate storage system. This option is appropriate for data that would be difficult to recreate. It provides good protection against catastrophic failure of the primary storage system, but does not allow you to restore all files to a point in time. Rather, only the most recent version of each file is saved on tape. This type of storage may not handle large numbers of small files well. Recovery of data from tape can only be done by research computing technical staff. A copy to tape is made once per day. The fourth option is Archive, which is a single copy in hierarchical storage management. This option is appropriate for non-critical data that is used infrequently. Recently used files are stored on disk, and files that have not been accessed recently are automatically migrated to a tape. Large numbers of small files are not allowed. The final option is Archive plus additional copy on tape, which is a single copy in HSM plus an additional copy on tape. This option is appropriate for data that would be difficult to recreate but that is used infrequently. This option provides good protection against the mechanical failure of a tape cartridge. It does not allow files to be restored to a point in time. Rather, only the most recent version of each file is saved on tape. A copy to tape is made once per day. Recovery of data from tape can only be done by research computing technical staff. See our website for pricing information about each option. We define 2 levels of service for customers and operate the PetaLibrary as a hybrid between them. The first level is Sensitive, in which service is provided Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., including after-hours support on weekdays with best effort. There is no guarantee of weekend or holiday support, although research computing will try to respond to incidents impacting the operation of the service with best effort. Sensitive is the service level for the back-end storage systems and gateway nodes. The second level is Tolerant, in which service is provided during business hours only, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Tolerant is the service level for customer-initiated support requests, such as group membership or permission changes. Now I will discuss how to access storage. Each person who uses the PetaLibrary is required to have a research computing account and 2-factor authentication. To request an account, visit our Quick Start page and follow steps 1 through 5. To access active storage, log into a research computing login node and use the command /work/project name. To access active storage with replication, log into a research computing login node and use the command /repl/project name. To access archive storage, use the command /archive/project name. Note that access via the login nodes is not recommended for frequent read-writes of archived data. To request access to the PetaLibrary, please read the PetaLibrary Memorandum of Understanding on the Research Computing website, fill out the attached End-User Agreement and the order form, and email the signed Memorandum of Understanding and order form to rc-help@colorado.edu.